Just wanted to say thank you to Rick and Gloria from High Efficiency Cooling and Heating. Last month we had a little bit of an issue with our furnace. The week before Christmas, our furnace decided to stop working. I woke up the Tuesday before Christmas and it was really cold in the house. And we've heard some horror stories of people not being able to get machinery to replace or parts. But Annie called her friend Gloria, and luckily they sent a technician over right away that was able to diagnose the problem almost immediately. Unfortunately, the furnace was producing very, very high amounts of carbon monoxide and had shut itself off as the equipment was supposed to. So the equipment worked as it should have, but unfortunately the furnace was not going to be repaired. Luckily, they got us in contact with our sales rep. We had used high efficiency cooling and heating last year for a rental property that we have. So we thought, okay, well, let's get a furnace and see how long it's going to take to get one. But luckily, they were able to get it the same day. So 9 o'clock in the morning, we figure out the furnace isn't working. Within an hour, we realize it's not going to work. By the end of the day, we have a new furnace. So not one night in the cold. And that night was actually an ice storm coming. Rain and ice was coming. So it was really just in time. Thanks again.